Alright, so I have here my JBL Live 650 Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones, and I want to show you here exactly how these headphones work, how to operate them. And these headphones have a lot of features, so I don't want to spend too much time, so let's get going here with the first feature here. I start out here with the left earpiece. We have here on the bottom, we have the micro USB charging port, and these headphones come with these micro USB charging cable. And in order to charge these headphones, you just plug this in here, and then as soon as you've done this, you will see here this tiny red LED is going to light up. That means it's charging, and in case this LED turns off, that means that the battery is fully charged, and then you can unplug the cable again. And in case when you're using this here and the red light here is blinking, that means that the battery is low and you should plug this in soon. Okay, so in case you need some more information, then I have this video here in the upper right corner. You may want to try that out. Check that out for more information about the charging process. Okay, so now let me unplug this here for a while. And now we keep going here. So now we take a look at the right earpiece. Here at the very top here we have the on-off switch, and we're going to push this up just for a little bit, and you see this starts blinking, and now here this LED here turns blue immediately. That means that it is already connected here to my iPhone here in this case. And in case you need assistance with how to connect this to your smartphone, then I recommend this other video here in the upper right corner. This shows you exactly how to do that in detail. So now let's keep going. So we had the on off button, and then we have here the plus button. This is to raise the volume. Let me show you this by just playing some music here. Okay, so let me demonstrate. So you just push the plus button. In this case, the volume is already at the top. It's the loudest already. So let me use the minus button first to lower the volume, and then raise the volume with the plus button. Now if we press and hold this button here for 2 seconds, the plus button that is, then it's going to go to the next audio track. And if we press and hold the minus button for 2 seconds, we're going to go to the previous track. So let me show you this really quick. See, now we just changed the track here. And now here in the middle we have another button. This is here the play and pause button. See, you push this once and it pauses. You push it again and it plays again. Now in case you get a phone call, then you can make a phone call. You can pick up this phone call with these headphones, and in case when it's ringing and you push this play pause button once, you're going to pick up the call, and if you push or press this for 2 seconds, then you're going to reject the call. And also when your phone call is completed, then you just press this button again and you're going to hang up. Okay, so now also this button here has another function, and that is the voice assist. So in this case, I have here my iPhone, and that means this button can enable Siri. And I do this by just pressing this button twice. See this here? Okay, so now let's keep going down here. We have here this auxiliary port, and the headphones come with this extra cable that you can use. So you can plug in the small connector into these headphones and then connect this here, the other end, to your smartphone. In case the battery here of the headphones is empty, then you can still keep using the headphones just with this cable here. And then the other button that we have here, this is here the active noise cancelling button. So if you don't need active noise cancelling, then you can turn this off here by just pressing it once. And by doing it that way, then you can save some energy here, so your battery life will be longer. Okay, and then also these headphones do support Google Assist and Alexa. And you do this by touching here the outside of the left earpiece. You just touch this and you activate those services by first installing here these JBL headphones app. Just going to download that from the App Store or the Play Store. And as soon as you start it, it's going to automatically find your Bluetooth headphones here, the Live 650 BTNC. One good thing here also, it shows you here the battery status of the headphones. So right now the battery status here is 70%. Then you can also enable and disable active noise cancellation with this button here. Okay, so and then you have here these settings. You can enable here whichever service you have on your phone, either the Google Assist or Amazon Alexa. Right now this is set to Alexa, and at this point you can download the Alexa app, install it, and then connect to the headphones. And if you tap the left earpiece here, then it's going to activate Alexa in this case. Okay, yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions or concerns, then please leave a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other videos about these headphones.